Today we're gonna watch a video featuring Beanie Joanna. The title is The Vocal Queen of Beanie. Joanna's voice will leave you in awe. This one's uploaded by Beanie Ritmo. Shout out to you. Let's not waste any more time. Let's check it out. Since the other day you said you wanted to see solo performances, well, here you go. I found one. This is Joanna starting off with the leader. Nagpa-piano siya? I don't know. Kasi yung first na nakita ko parang nagpa-piano siya. She's in their studio. Okay. Okay. Oh, I thought lang. Performing a Tagalog song. I'm not sure about the title. Pero classic song yan. Oh, sounds like a classic song. Joanna's voice is really beautiful, right? Yeah. She looks so young. Yeah. Hindi sasabihin ko eh. Oh, wow. On the Wings of Love. On the Wings of Love. Powerful din ng kanta. Big song. Her voice is so powerful talaga. Now this one is even higher. It's kind of like, feels like an AG song, right? Yeah, parang AG's niya. There's a key change, alam ko. For sure. Pero yun no, diba? Alam ko may key change yan. Full voice. Her voice when she hits those high notes is so beautiful. She really reaches those notes with no problem, no? Oo. Super clean and ang clear. She sings in that high range. Oh, nakagahon siya. May parang full voice, no? Oo. Full na full ang voice. Effortless siya kumanta. Like, her voice has no strain at all. It's just flawless. So beautiful, absolutely flawless. Grabe, alam ko, full voice yan. Kanta ni Sarah G. Talaga? Yeah. Napakataas ng ganyan kataas ang boses ni Sarah? Yeah, mataas ang boses. Parang mas mataas itong ginawa niya. Parehas sa monkey. Hindi ako makakaway. Oo. Nakasurvive siya. OMG daw. Oh wow, nakahiga siya. Nagpa-practice din sila kumanta ng nakahiga. That tandem position, I know that's hard. Singing while lying down isn't easy at all. But if you listen to her voice, it sounds full and steady, right? Miley Cyrus song. Yes. That technique is really challenging kapag nakahiga ka. Kasi yung diaphragm, ipit yan. Mahirap. Hindi naman nakaipit, naka-flat siya. Pero flat mahirap. Pero parang ipit na yun. Mahirap kumanta parang Ay, gusto bumitaw. Gusto ko nang bumitaw ni Morissette. I can't really name the exact vocal technique she's using, but you know what I mean, right? We're not vocal expert, but we can definitely say her vocals is so powerful. Clean, and she really has control. Honestly, she has one of the best voices I've ever heard. So naman. Parang pinapractice na sila sa pinapractice sa ganong kahihirap na kanta. Yes, palagay ko. Oo. Her voice is really made for high notes. Kanino kanta yan? Celine Dion. And then, her dress looks so nice there. Ang ganda ng nila, suot nila, outfit. I think yung song na to, na-react na natin pero na-black. strings.
String
No.
yan. I know that. Ginawa nilang ballad. Yes, ballad.
Oh.
Saan natin makikita yung gustong panoorin yun?
Her hair. She went blonde.
Oh, nag-blonde
Bakit
siya.
siya na-blonde ah?
Si she
Blondie
looks so
vibes.
young.
Ha?
She looks so young.
Oo, mukha nga.
Siya leader, di ba?
Yes. The color, looks really good on her.
Yeah.
Katy Perry song. Honestly, no matter what song you wanna sing, it just fits her voice so well. Everything suits her.
Mahilig siya kumanta.
Ng mga matataas.
Hindi, mahilig lang siya kumanta.
Pangalawang mic pa lang. Second mic. Yung iba walang mic.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow, she's playing
Wow.
guitar.
Yeah, playing guitar. I didn't know she could play. She was really talented.
Yeah. She's so beautiful.
It's Pantropico, acoustic.
Oh, Pantropico.
Yes,
Okay. Wow.
acoustic.
Ginawang acoustic.
Pantropico. 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 Oh. Talented talaga.
Great dancer din, di ba?
Oo. Hindi, lahat naman sila. Pero, yeah, oo, sige. Oh, parang ano yan?
Para siya si Heart Evangelista dito.
Parang siyang old school ang genre na yan.
Dito. Para siya si Heart Evangelista. Meron siyang,
She looks like,
Yeah.
ang heart.
parang din niya.
She
Ka-face.
sang an old school genre.
Yeah.
She nailed it. It's like she knows so many songs. Di ba luma yan?
Oo nga.
Seriously, she's so good. Paano niya
Yeah.
alam yun? Pag
Siyempre
luma.
nakikinig siya. Alam mo mga Pinoy, kahit oldies na yun, sobrang oldies na mga song. Alam yan. Kumakain pa yata. She's eating. Kumakain niya.
Really?
Yeah.
Oo,
Ang hawak
may
niya.
siya.
Oh, jazzy.
See. Like I said, her voice can handle any genre. It really fits her. Ano yan, bossa.
Bosa.
Yeah, lumakas yung sound natin, ha. Natakpay boses ko. Everything sound good with her voice.
Oo. Bagay sa kanya mga ganyang
Lahat
genre.
naman, para sa akin, ha. Kung yung lahat ng napakinggan natin.
Request kaya yan mga nanonood sa live?
Siguro.
Tapos
Oh,
na!
tapos na. Oh, God, nakakabitin naman.
8 minutes na yun?
Yeah, 8 minutes agad.
Oh,
Super na-enjoy ko. Sige. Magbigay ka muna ng thoughts.
nakakagulat kasi. Biglang tinapos. Dapat nagpaalam. Parang ganun. Oh, for me, yung masasabi ko. Singer siya.
Ano?
Singer.
Singer siya.
Oo, magaling na singer. Madedevelop pa yung boses niya. Habang tumatagal yan, dahil nagsisimula pa lang sila, madedevelop pa yan, mas lalong gaganda yan. Pero sa boses lang, may boses siya. Maganda. Mataas. Yan lang.
Yun lang.
Yeah.
1 to 10. Rate mo.
Rate ko siya ng 9.8.
9.8?
9.8. Okay. Oo, madedevelop pa kasi boses niya eh. Maganda na yung boses niya, madedevelop pa yan.
Oh, sige, ako na. Okay. So, overall, grabe talaga tong performance na to. Like, Joanna's voice, super linis, super powerful, and
Kahit anong genre, sabi ko nga kanina, she can slay it. Wala akong masabi, effortless. Solid na solid. Tapos yung control niya sa high notes. For me, this is perfect. No doubt. Ang galing niya, sobra.